Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Our elf was a naughty girl today. She decorated our tree with toilet paper. I started the morning by cleaning my room. Here I am shaking my sheets as I'm about to make my bed. I then start wiping down my plastic storage bin with a wet wipe. I move on to my drawers/entertainment center. I start by dusting and then wiping down with a wet wipe to clean and sanitize. After that, I start vacuuming my room on both sides. I don't know about you, but after I'm done cleaning, I like to light my candles. My mom, my niece, and I went to Dollar Tree this morning. We just wanted to look around. We also needed a couple household items, but our main purpose was to go look at the holiday section to see what we come across. I went to Dollar Tree specifically to find elf on the shelf type of things that I need. The first thing that I got were these googly eyes. I saw this elf on the shelf melted snowman. It was so cute. I had to try it on my niece. And the second thing that I got were these clothespins. I saw one where the elf was like hanging from his feet, clasped by these clothespins. So cute. We found these police officer figurines, and I thought that would be cute, like if she got into trouble and we had her like stuck to the wall. So I'm gonna try those out. Things to do. The first one was this jumbo coloring activity book. This is what our elf looks like, but it's plushy. So I thought this would be cute, like if the elf left it for her to do, and she loves coloring. The second activity that I got was this "'Twas the Night Before Christmas" book. It's really good quality, like the pictures. I was thinking that the elf could leave this for her like the day before Christmas Eve, just for her to read like the night before, so Santa comes the next day and leaves gifts. I thought that would be really cute for her. Of course, I couldn't leave Dollar Tree without grabbing a couple of items for myself. The first thing that I grabbed with this was this Christmas tumbler. How cute is this? It's all glittery, and for $1.25, like hello, I'm getting it. And then the second thing that I came across were these gummy bears, pineapple flavor, which is my favorite. Like, I love gummy bears. See that they had the pineapple only flavor? Like, hello, I'm definitely getting this. I also got a few household items and some holiday decor for the kitchen. I'll show you those. I got these cute little dish towels. One's a snowman and the other one is Santa. I also got this cute little Santa mitt. I got 2 of these poinsettia tablecloths. They're plastic, but they're nice. I also got 4 of these Santa hat chair covers, just to make the kitchen look a little more festive. On Sundays, I like to sit down with my mom to create our weekly dinner menu. I got this weekly notepad from the Dollar Tree earlier this year. I found that planning out my meals helps my family stay organized, more prepared, and we stay within our grocery budget. If you see a dinner idea that you like, don't be embarrassed to take it. Thank you for watching. Follow for more Vlogmas videos. On Sundays, I like to sit down with my mom to create our weekly dinner menu. I got this weekly notepad from the Dollar Tree earlier this year. I found that planning out our meals helps my family stay organized, more prepared, and I noticed that we stay within our grocery budget. If you see a recipe that you like, don't be afraid to steal it.